Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming that you meet the eligibility criteria and why that matters. It prevents wasted fees. Once verified, gather your scenic, a recent passport-style photo, and scan transcripts. These are required for upload during registration. Next, pick the test date and campus code because seat allocation depends on it. Finally, prepare payment, card or bank challen, and keep a calculator or note of the fee amount. This speeds through the payment step without errors. Once your account is active, you begin the online application form carefully because mistakes cause delays. Enter personal and academic data, choosing program codes exactly as listed. This ensures your application maps to the right department. Upload scanned files in the required formats and sizes, then use the preview to inspect every field and document. After you confirm accuracy, proceed to payment. Retain screenshots and transaction ID since they serve as proof if the portal fails to update. After payment, download the stamped receipt and keep the confirmation number. This finalizes your registration. You'll need to check the portal for the admit slip release, and once available, print or save it. Confirm your test center and time immediately. If something goes wrong, contact the test help desk with your application ID and payment proof. Explain the error and attach screenshots. A common fix is rechecking file formats or resubmitting a duplicate document. Do that only when advised.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.